I was going to the mall with my friends, and because we're teenagers, we took a wrong turn and got lost. So we were going down a back road to get back onto the right road to get to the different mall. I was sitting in the back seat. I had my best friend next to me. There's another girl in the front seat, and then her boyfriend was driving. We were just driving down the road, and a car sideswept the car in front of us, got back into our lane, and swerved, hit us head on. I actually hit my face on the window, so I had a big lump on my cheek. So when they went to x-ray that, they got the top of my neck in the x-ray. And they're like, we would like to do a CAT scan on your neck just in case. And they found out that a piece of the bone chipped off, so I had a fracture in my neck. I went back to the doctors a year after the accident, and they took x-rays again, and they actually saw that the bone never reattached like they originally thought it was going to, and muscle tissue grew between the piece of bone that chipped off and the rest of my neck. Soccer was my life for years. I mean, it got to the point where I went on a college showcase team because it's what I did, it was my passion. I was really upset at first because I know I couldn't get any scholarships. I mean, academically wise, I'm pretty good in school, but the scholarship for soccer could have been a full ride, and I lost that chance. So hearing that we could get money back from this accident that took away soccer, which took away my future, was really reassuring. What I liked most about working with Consul was they were very personal. When I'm here, I'm treated with respect, even though I just turned 18 and I'm still a kid. So it was really nice to have. The Consul staff is really nice. I came in here, like I said, everyone's friendly. Everyone's ready to joke, make you smile, make sure you're comfortable, ask if you need anything. They're here for me, and that's what the law firm should have. When I first started with Consul, I had no idea what was going on. They talked me through in the beginning, and then they let me get on with my life. And it was just really nice that they took care of everything and let me have my life. If I knew anyone else who was hurt in an accident, they'd definitely be my first recommendation. They're very friendly, they know what they're doing, they're here to help, and it's a nice environment, and it gets results.